Namaste, everyone. I am the Korean Lashan, and today we have something special for you. This is the world's smallest Class C RV, and we are going to get an exclusive look inside. I know it needs to be cleaned a little bit, but that is because they pulled this baby right out of storage just for me, our wonderful friends here at La Mesa RV. Thank you once again. But with all that said, let's get into it. Let's check it out. This is the 2026 Thor Chateau 19Z. It is the latest ultra-compact Class C RV from Thor, and it's designed to replace the earlier 19G model. At just over 20 feet in length, it offers a blend of drivability and comfort. And it's ideal for solo travelers, couples, or even small families seeking adventure without sacrificing any of the conveniences of home. Now, do not let the fact that this is the world's smallest Class C RV fool you. It is designed for adventurers who crave big experiences in this compact package. And at just under 20 feet long, this versatile RV is built on a Ford Transit chassis, offering easy maneuverability and great fuel efficiency. Not to mention this beautiful full-length automatic awning. Now let's take a look at the interior. Starting with the cab, the driver and passenger seats are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort during long drives. The cab doors feature power locks and windows, and as you shift your focus to the steering wheel, you'll find it equipped with integrated controls allowing you to manage audio and cruise functions without taking your hands off the wheel. The dashboard is user-friendly and modern, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Also, you can easily navigate, stream music, or take hands-free calls. Here you'll find your secondary sleeping space, which this RV does comfortably sleep up to 3 people. You also have your TV up there should you decide to sleep there, or you could always just use this as storage. You also have a skylight and smoke detector. Next, we will take a look at the wet bath, but before we do that, a quick word from our sponsors, Faharico.com.
Look, nothing is real, nothing is true. I'm reading writings just on the wall. I extended my hand, couldn't stop the fall. I've been bearing it all like a hunter's arm. Couldn't bear the trap, so I travel far. Heal the wounds of my own, I'm aware these scars. All hail the king. All hail the king.
First up, you have a couple of light switches and a control panel on the wall. And control panel for what, you ask? That would be your AC and heating unit up above. And then this door here is what will lead you into the wet bath. So let's take a look. I do want to very quickly point out these outlets just below the door here as we head inside. And then this is your wet bath. It does feature a skylight, chrome finishes. You have your toilet there. Very nice size mirror, nice little sink setup in the corner out of the way. You do have your shower curtain. There's a better look at that skylight there. And I'll show you in just a moment how that curtain sort of pulls around, and you can kind of close it off. If you are in the shower, you don't have to worry about water getting out. Now I'll step inside of the wet bath for reference so that you can see how you might fit in here. I also want to pull this shower curtain around. This track goes all the way around, protecting the rest of your RV from water when you are using the shower. And right next to the wet bath, we have this awesome 12-volt refrigerator. There is so much space inside of here, which we'll look at in just a moment. But first, I actually want to show you how you just move this little latch and pop this open. Look at this nice deep freezer. I love this. I could store so much food inside of here. And we'll take a look inside of the refrigerator as well. Same thing, just tons of space. You can spend days off the map and out of sight with a refrigerator this size, which is just what I'm looking for. And if you put this latch back, it is secured in place so nothing's knocking around. You have this nice big sort of closet or pantry or just storage space. It also has this really great mirror on it, and we'll take a look inside of here. So there you have a bar. You can hang things up in here if you would like. And we'll also open the drawer. Look how far these drawers pull out. I mean, again, just so much storage. You could put so many things in these drawers. And then this is kind of your all-inclusive, your living room, your dining room, and your bedroom. And you can see this space on the floor here where you can put your table. You have this beautiful skylight that is already fitted for a fan if you'd like to add one. And just take a look at this space. Now things are kind of scattered about. Again, this is brand new. This is your table here, and it'll go right there. And they're still kind of getting this all together for you guys, okay? So like if you notice the valance is missing, like that window has a valance, this one does not. But the valance is laying right here, so that will be installed before you purchase. It also has these nice recessed lights here. Really great overhead storage. Again, you could just put tons of stuff up there. I'll open some of the storage so we can actually see inside. And these go back pretty deep. We'll open this one as well. Storage on this side as well. There is also a built-in speaker here. There are just so many great hidden features. These are cup holders. If you are in the bed or just chilling on the couch, you can sit your beverage there. And I'll swivel over to the other side because they're also on this other side as well. I also love these nice big windows. You have easy access to some control panels, your light switch, as well as some additional outlets and USB ports right there on the wall for you. And now we'll turn our attention to my favorite part of this RV, this cute little kitchen. And you'll see that it has everything you need. You have cabinets, you have your microwave. This microwave, by the way, I'm gonna pop this open. And again, I know I keep saying it, but this is brand new. This is a 2026, so it still has the cardboard and plastic on a lot of things. But this microwave is so unique because it is also a convection oven. It is an air fryer. It is your dehydrator. I mean, what more do you need? And on top of that, you have this beautiful contour hood right here that has your light on there, your stove light. You have your fan if you need to pull any strong smells out of the RV. You have this really gorgeous 2-burner gas propane cooktop, also from Contour. I love this built-in blue lighting around the knobs. And I'll just lift this up for you guys. Look how beautifully done this is. And you'll see you have lots of drawers right underneath your stove. There's the remote to the TV there. And we'll just go through and take a peek at each one. Again, I love how these drawers pull so far out. And then this one at the bottom is also super deep. We'll go to the uppers next. Nice and spacious. And then I thought this sink was also really well done. I love the gold finish, this sort of bronzy gold color. This feels really, really good to the touch, very sturdy and secure. I love this grate over the sink. I'm assuming this is your dish drying rack. So if you wash dishes, you can just dry them right over the sink and not take up counter space. I would also probably use this to clean fruits and veggies as well. And then we'll take a look at the lower cabinets here. And so again, no wasted space. You could very easily store a lot of cleaning products or whatever you need underneath there. And then I just want to pop over to this upper cabinet just over the door. So even that space was used. This RV is also fitted for solar already, just to point that out to you guys. And you have some plugs and your control panels just on the side here when you walk in the door. I thought this was a really cool feature. This lifts up, locks into place, and you have additional counter space. And it is really sturdy. And then you have your upper control panel where you can see everything like your water tanks, your fresh water, your black water, your gray water, how's your battery, things like that. And last, I'll show you guys this screen door where you can leave your door open to circulate air while keeping all the critters and creatures outside. All right, tribe, and that is the world's smallest Class C RV that you just witnessed. I want to give another special shout out to TJ. He actually wasn't here today, but he did send Brian and George our way to help us out. So thank you to both of them. They were fantastic. I do not have pricing for this RV, but you can reach out to the wonderful team here at La Mesa RV. That is La Mesa RV in San Diego, California. Reach out to the team here. I will put their information in the description below. And until next time, be kind to yourself and then everyone else. And I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.